Welcome to Tornado Tuesdays.
After our work is never over. Working harder, make it better. Moving faster makes us stronger. After our work is never over. Working harder, make it better. Moving faster makes us stronger. After our work is working harder, make it better. Moving faster makes us stronger. After our work is never
Hey Brian, how's the workout?
Wrecked.
Try it again.
Wrecked. Completely wrecked.
That's more like it. Good afternoon. Just finished up Tornado Tuesdays here at the Milton Velodrome. We did a bunch of about 45 minutes of on and off drills. We did whistle drill. We did a pursuit drill, as well as a full Belgium sprint night, where there were at least a half a dozen standing starts and half a dozen rolling starts. Nice solid 2 hours. If you guys cramped up, it's all good. See you in 2 weeks.
Working harder, make it better.